going on, everybody? So guys, do you want to see my car collection? So I'll pause the video, but I'll bring this back when I've got them all set out. Bye. So welcome back, guys. We've got all our cars set out. So hope you enjoyed them. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah. Oh, and go and check Caitlin Gamer George's channel. Yeah. So that's just my stuff. Me stu. See you later. That's all my cars. So this one. What? Yeah, so guys, that's all I wanted to show you this. Bye.